Hey, something came in the mail today.
What is it?
He's not.
Better not be another dog. They keep sending us this.
They're pretty. They can be pretty cute.
Oh, it's a chocolate bunny, huh? Let's put it in the pantry, wait for it to expire, then we'll eat it. Never mind, it says not a bunny.
I don't like bunnies. They give me. They make me look like eggs. It's bad.
So much packaging. Dude. Oh
That pink thing did not deserve to. That did not deserve that.
gosh, dude. We got it. We got the aluminum play button. Oh my gosh. Dude. I heard they only sent out one of these. Oh my god.
You realize you are actual cancer.
You want to see this play button disappear? Okay.
Swear to
Ready?
God, if you eat that.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa, I totally did not see that fly. Ah! Whoa, man, it reappeared. That's magical.
Bro, this thing is legit.
Can you make it disappear again?
Yes, I can make it disappear. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
3, 2. Thank you, YouTube, for sending me such an award. So
It's sparkly and magic.
YouTube, I want to thank you guys so much, and I don't want to just thank YouTube. I want to thank the viewers.
right now.
Peace out.